meeting. Please wait for the leader to admit you to the meeting. You are now joining the meeting. 602-326-4805. Could you please tell me which case you're here on?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, sir.
My name is, first off, is this a court of record?
Yes.
Did you take an oath to the Constitution today?
We're not on the record right now. Do you want me, Mr. Shabbat, do you want me to turn the record on?
No, yes, I want to turn the record on. This a court of record?
All right.
Yes.
Just a moment.
Because last time you took my minutes and you erased them and you replaced my words with something else. So I wanted that to be annotated. And how come that happened? That's the first thing. How come the minutes from the last hearing were changed to some other statement?
You have to hold on a second. You're not on the record yet. So if there is an advisory council that's going to play into your case, we're going to make sure they're in here before you start addressing things on the record, okay?
I am the only authorized trustee on the account, yes.
All right, we're getting Mr. Fawcett in here.
I don't know who Mr. Fawcett is. I just covered you. I'm the only authorized trustee on the account. Nobody speaks for me at all but me. You understand that, Administrator? Are you a Circuit 3 judge? Hello?
Hold on 1 second, please. Just a moment, sir. I have to go get something from my office. Just hold on.
Hello? For the record, on the record, I just would like to reflect that the judge has left the bench. I'm just going to call for the thing to be dismissed right now. Get this out the way. On the record, for the record, Talib Abdul Shabazz Bey, only authorized trustee on the account for Talib Shabazz. Not to mention, on the record, for the record, I'm not here to plead guilty or innocent. I'm only here to challenge jurisdiction, which the court doesn't have. Administrator.
Mr. Shabazz, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Who is this speaking? Who is commissioner? Why is there not a Article 3 or at least a Article 2 judge up there? I need to speak to the record.
Yes, that's correct. We need you to appear virtually. We can't really do it telephonically.
First off, when was I informed of this virtual hearing? That's my first question. And two, how can someone have a court date for 13:30, show up to court, and then the court not allow them to come in, which is what happened today at the courthouse?
I'm not sure, sir. I'm just trying to give you the link so that you can appear virtually.
So now I gotta have a link to appear virtually. And when is this appearance virtually? So how come I gotta appear virtually and the rest of them got done telephonically? Explain that.
We have been hearing all cases virtually, sir. I can just go ahead and if you can just give me a
how come I didn't already have the virtual information? And how come when it gets pulled up on the computer, it doesn't say virtual anywhere on there? It says the courthouse. I was never served this.
I don't know.
I don't know is not a proper answer. Listen to me. Right now, you need to produce a judge. Give me the title of the person that was asking those questions.
I'm sorry?
I need the title of the person that was asking those questions. What was the title of the person that was asking me questions? Hello, is anyone there? Hello? Again, for the record, on the record, let the record reflect, I will have this phone log regardless, that the judge, the nobody administrator has left the bench. I call for it to be dismissed.
All right, so the court now is...
now we have to ask, what is your title, sir? What is your title, sir?
912-001. May I please have the parties announced, starting with the state? We're referring on behalf of Angela Andrews for the state.
Wrong. What are we doing? How are we on another case? What happened to me? What's going on?
Sir, I'm calling your case.
Okay. So what is your title, sir?
Sir, you've been in my court before.
Okay, so you're an Article 2 judge, not an Article 3 judge. You still haven't produced jurisdiction. I'm calling for the case to be dismissed, and you don't have jurisdiction to not say it's dismissed. You're in an act of treason right now.
Mr. Shabazz, we need you to appear over the video Otherwise, we can't go any further with this hearing. So you need to give.
And when was I told this? When we met, you didn't say anything about a virtual hearing, did you? On the record, for the record.
I did.
Okay, all right. Give me this so-called link, and when am I supposed to report to it?
But I need to be able to see you to call the hearing.
Okay, so when am I supposed to call when am I supposed to come on to this link?
Mr. Shabazz?
Yes.
Last time you kept interrupting me, and I had to take you into custody for contempt of court. Please don't interrupt me. Okay? All right. I need you to be able to appear over video for this hearing so I can see you. So I need to give you my judicial assistant's phone number so she can tell you the link that you can type in so you can appear virtually on a computer or over your phone. Okay?
And when would that be?
602-506-4527.
Could you repeat that one more time?
602-506-4527.
Okay, I have two questions. One, when was I served this information? And two, when am I supposed to come to this link now?
You'll call my judicial assistant, get the link, and immediately get back on this hearing. Secondly, if I go to my minute entry from February 11th, this information is at the bottom of that document.
Where was I on November 11th? I wasn't in front of you on November 11th. I was in front of you on November 9th. I mean, I'm sorry, February 9th.
On November 9th, you were in here, but November 11th was the date that the order from that hearing issued. So I can actually give you this URL right now if you'd like it.
Now you can send whatever this erroneous information that you have, because it changed on the website several times. I looked at it right before I came to court, and it said the courthouse. It didn't say anything about virtual. And then he didn't give me a virtual link. He gave me a phone number.
So please call my judicial assistant so we can get you on video, and then we'll go for the rest of your hearing, okay? Thank you, sir.
So full of shit.
Division, how can I help you?
Yes, I'm calling about some virtual link for some virtual tribunal that I was never served on.
Sure. Do you have an email where I can send it to?
It's my first and last name, TALIB SHAHBAZ @gmail.com.
And will you be using your phone?
What happened?
Will you be using your phone?
Does it matter how I call in?
No, I'm just saying because if you use your phone, it works better if you download the app.
Download what app?
It's the Microsoft Teams.
They don't have that for a laptop or Mac?
Yeah, you don't need to download anything if you're using a computer.
All right, then send it to my email, and I guess I'll get on there.
All right.
Still never provided one, when was I served this information, and two, he's never provided jurisdiction, and who comes in for a tribunal and has to be asked, is it a court of record or not? Talking about, let me turn on the mic. It's supposed to be recorded from the beginning. I have another question. Why are the minutes that I had from the time that we met not the minutes that are in there? There's some other statement. There's not my words in the minutes. There's something else. Why is that?
I wouldn't know how to tell you that, sir.
I know. You're probably a criminal too, otherwise known as an attorney.
No, I'm not an attorney.
Oh, then maybe you're not a criminal.
just sent you the link, sir. Please let me know if you received it or not, so I will try to send it again.
Let me get on my email real quick. Such nonsense I got to deal with. Come to court and you change. You know, I looked at it right before I came. Okay, so Assistant Commissioner for Nick Sakoon, Superior Court. So what is Nick Sakoon?
He's the judge.
What is he? That was a specific question. Is he an Article 1 or Article 2 or Article 3 judge? Which one is he?
I want to answer your question, sir.
You don't know who you work for. You don't know what his title is.
He's Commissioner Saccone. That's all I know.
So he's not a judge then. Commissioner is not a judge. I need to speak to the wrecker.
Okay. Using that link, you'll be able to speak to the record.
All right, fantastic.
Bye now.
All right.